What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang 775, just the Molly boy in Texas, back with another video. Today I got another versus comparison video of two over-the-ear headphone titans. One of them is a Treblab Z2s, okay, and the other one is technically in the same category since it's over-the-ear, but sports some feature is lacking some features that this one has, mainly active noise cancellation. Is the Ghostek Rapture Wireless. Now this goes for the Rapture Wireless. They go for $124 to $125, while these Treblab Z2s go for around $80 to $90, depending where you get them. Sometimes you can get them on sale for about 90 bucks. I mean, for 60 bucks. Sometimes you can get these on sale for under 100 when they do go on sale. Now that being said, let's get started, shall we? Treblab Z2s. Let's start with the Treblab Z2s first. Okay, I've usually been playing my own custom, my own music to test these things out, but I'm gonna play some songs over from the folks over at No Copyright Sounds, so you folks can listen, okay, how good these headphones are. Okay, both have pros and cons. So I'm gonna start. Full blast. That is the Treblab Z2s. Okay, these Treblab Z2s are fantastic. They get a decent volume and they sport really good active noise cancellation, and that was an active noise cancellation off. Now let me turn it on, and the sound profile does change a little bit. It sounds like what do you call that, the mids and highs become I don't know if this more crisp. I think it sounds good. I mean, active noise cancellation on this thing does sound good. Not as full of a sound that I would like, because I think it sounds crisper but dull at the same time. I don't know if that makes sense. It's like a oxymoron contradiction, but I'm gonna turn on active noise cancellation. And when you do turn off active noise cancellation, when there's pauses in between songs, when there's nothing, you can hear a little bit of white noise from these you can hear a little bit of white noise. Ouch! Oh, hit my toes. So you heard that? You do hear a little bit of white noise from these headphones if you got active noise cancellation on, like a little hum, buzz. But that's usually, you only hear that during when there's nothing playing in the background. Okay, almost all active noise cancellation headphones have that little white noise in the background especially when you transition songs and it's quiet. Okay, then you're gonna hear that. What? Okay, so let me go ahead and play that same song. The Treblab Z2s. Now what I like about the Treblab Z2s is they form a really nice seal. You see the cups? Okay, they're kind of egg shaped, and like I've talked about in my past videos, I think egg shaped cups, ear cups, are the best, because one, they fit around your ear better. Sometimes like you get some headphones that actually cover your entire ear, depending how big your ears are or how little your ears are. If you cover your whole ear, that seal is going to be much better, and you're going to get better, more crisp sound. Okay, that's just my opinion, but I mean, majority of people out there, music guys, they probably agree with me. When you got the whole ear covered, you're going to form a better seal. I mean, you're going to hear more sound. But yeah, the Treblab Z2s, they're comfortable at the top. They got a nice soft headband. The build quality, okay, for the most part, it's plastic, except for this part right here. That is aluminum, and this is plastic right here. So I wouldn't drop these if I were you. I mean, all headphones, please treat your headphones with respect. These things are your friends, okay? They're your little escape out of reality sometimes, when the whole world is like a piece of flaming turd, okay? You stick on some music, you put these headphones on, and you just drown out the rest of the world, and you just relax. in music. Okay, music is the one place where you can go where no one bothers you, and you can just think, you can just let your mind wander. Okay, but yeah, Treblab Z2's build quality is okay, so plasticky, but for the most part, it's totally worth the $80. I say it's worth $100. Okay, if you can't afford Bose, the Treblabs are pretty good. Now let's talk about the Ghostek Rapture Wireless. This is by far, in my opinion, the best. Let me go ahead and unpair this. I'm going to turn it off. Power off. Now I'm going to go ahead and pair my Ghostek Raptures. Okay, so I got the Ghostek Rapture connected. Now let's go at full blast. Damn, these things sound really good. As of right now, these are my best pair of sounding headphones. Now, what comes close is, believe it or not, my Audio-Technica SR5 BTs. They're on the ear wireless headphones, but those sound really crystal clear and sound really good, but the volume and bass is lacking. This got it all. This got a decent bass where it's balanced with the crystal clear sharp mids and highs of that this headset can put out. This thing has also got a decent volume. Now, as for volume, the Treblab Z2 sounds louder because it forms a better seal, but I think the volume is the same, okay, when it comes to these headphones. Okay, if you can get a better seal, because you look at these headphones, they're flat, okay, they're flat, okay, but the thing is, these headphones are more comfortable than the Treblab Z2s. Yes, they are. I don't know what Ghostek did here with these flat, soft protein ear pads, but these feel good on your ear. Even though they just sit on your ear, you think you're gonna feel pressure points, but you're not. You're gonna feel pressure points on your Treblab Z2s before you feel them on the Ghostek Rapture Wireless. Say you wear this for 2 hours, you're gonna be feeling it. You wear these for 2 hours, you feel it, but not as much as this. I mean, that's just my opinion. And when it comes to build quality, this is for the most part all metal. Okay, there's no plastic here. The hinge is metal. This is metal right here. Oh wait, is that metal? No, I found the weakness. The joint right here where it connects to the ear pad, okay, I think that's plastic. It looks plastic. I could be wrong, but build quality, I say that's a tie. They both feel pretty good. Mix between cheap feeling materials and really premium materials. If I had to like nitpick, I would give the edge in build quality and feel and comfort. There you go. Comfort wise, the Rapture Wireless has it. Now, as for wearing, when to use these, now both are great at home. Both are great in, well, this is going to be more better for like if you're like long commutes, like airplane, bus ride, what do you call that, train rides. Now, I've been saying, I've been using my headphones while driving long distances. Now, that's me, okay? Now, technically, that's dangerous, okay? Don't kind of follow my example, because you especially if you got noise canceling headphones like these on, if you wear them on a long commute, I mean, say like there's a, like here in the States, if there's a cop car behind you and you don't pull over, you can get ticketed for that kind of stuff. Now, I haven't run into that problem yet, but I could very well run into something like that in the future. And when you got noise canceling earphones, you don't hear nothing except the music, okay? And when you're driving, it's kind of good to hear a little bit of what's going on outside, just in case you don't get into an accident or not. So I mean, like I've been saying in my past videos, I wear them while I'm driving. I suggest you folks don't. Okay, I mean that's me. Okay, I kept on saying it, and someone brought it up to me, you know, via direct messages. Like, you know what? That's actually right. So use caution when using these headphones while driving. But let's see what else. Nice cool days walking at the mall and whatnot. Both of these headphones do fine. Okay, do great. Now when it comes to working out, I would advise using these to work out, because you don't wanna, especially the Ghostek Rapture Wireless. Now they fit on your head. They fit in your head just right, but as soon as you move up and down, these things will go. They're gonna fall and hit the floor, and they're gonna break, and you're gonna be sad. You're gonna be out like $124. Okay. Now these they fit better on your head, and I like the point that they can swivel like this. See, these Ghostek Raptors, they can't swivel. All they do is they bend, they fold. That's it. So you got them around your neck. Now these fit better than like big old Bluetooth ear cups. Okay, Bluetooth is like I'm like this, but these fit a lot better. You can wear them around the neck, and they're fine. And when these, what you call that? When you got them like this, they easily fit around the neck. Like what I like to do to test headphones, I take these to the mall, or then I go to the movies. Okay, I get to the movies like an hour early, and you know how they show previews and commercials. I test how much that sound drowns out. You know, like especially the movie theater speakers, they're really loud. Okay, but yeah, I test how much of that drowns out, and with the active noise cancellation on the Treblabs, again, you're gonna drown out a good 80 to 90% of the volume. Like I could be yelling while the active noise cancellation is on this thing, and this thing's playing at full blast, and I can barely hear anything coming out of my mouth. If I'm just straight talking, these will drown out my talking, no problem, if I'm listening to music in the background. Okay. Now this, yeah, you're gonna get some noise bleed. Okay. This one not so much, because it forms a better seal. This has some noise bleed, especially if you're playing at full blast. Like someone right next to you, say standing. Like, say if you're in a subway, or you're, I mean, you know, a subway, yeah, subway car. You're standing right next to somebody, you might hear some music coming out of this, okay? So the person right next to you. So there is some noise bleed about the Ghostek Rapture Wireless. I know I haven't covered noise bleed a lot, but I'm gonna start doing it, because I got people asking me, how's the noise bleed? How's the noise bleed and whatnot? Now, when it comes to wired connections, both sound fantastic. I think they sound better, especially the Raptors. They sound better with wired connection. Well, it could be just because I'm using a G7. He's got a quad DAC, and my wife's V30 sounds fantastic. When I did test it with a Pixel 2 XL, it sounded good, but I couldn't really tell a difference between the DAC. Unless I turned the DAC on, then it made a difference. It's like, whoa, sounds better. But these things, these headphones, they're in the same category when it comes to over-the-ear, but they offer two completely different things. Okay, you want noise cancellation? By all means, Treblab Z2s are for you. Okay, you don't like hearing things out there. Now you want sonic purity, sonic joy, good bass, mids and highs crystal clear. Just for pure sonic enjoyment, I would have to go with the Rapture Wireless. This is a daily wearer for me. I wear these daily along with my Bluetooth U2s. I kind of switch them out during the day, and every other day I'll probably toss in the Treblab for like a good 20 to 30 minutes. Now saying the Treblab Z2s, the mids and highs, they're crystal clear as well. The bass hits deep. Okay, it does. It's just I like the sonic profile, the audio profile of what the Raptors put out better than the Treblab Z2s. Now, I'm fortunate enough to get to test both of these out. Now, if you were looking for pure, like I said, pure audio quality, the Raptors take it. If you want something with more diverse features and pretty good audio quality with really good active noise cancellation at a budget price, Treblab Z2s is for you. Yeah, so the budget the budget version of the Bose QC35s, and this would probably be the budget versions of these, like what do you call that? A B&O type of headset. You know, something that's extremely expensive. Those $400 or $500 headphones. these things can compete with them. The B&Os and the, what do you call that, Parrot Zika or whatever. I don't know. There are so many types of expensive headphones out there. These can these are right up there with them. Okay. But yeah, that was my comparison between the Treblab Z2s and the Ghostek Rapture Wireless headphones. Come next week, I'm comparing my on-the-ear headphones, the CloudFox H2s, the newest headphone that I got from, where is it? Cozy? Where is it? I don't have the box here, but I did a video of it. I'll drop a link to that video down below. The Cozy headphones, I forgot the name of it. I'll put a description right here, and I'll be comparing it to my Edifier W570 BTs as well as my Blue and Pump Soles, which on the ear Bluetooth headphones that I think you should get out of those 4, because I'm fortunate I got to test those 4, and those are my 4 favorite on the ear headphones as of right now. But yeah, look for that video next week. It's Guddang775, just a mile boy in Texas. If you folks like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button and let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.